Hi guys, welcome! I'm Farmer Steph and today I'm at the Ruffin Organic Garden at Dawson School in Las Vegas. Today I'm going to be out here redoing all of the garden beds. We're going to be taking the soil, we're putting fresh soil in the beds, and then we're also going to be putting fresh crops into the beds. If everything goes to my plan, this all right here is going to be a big wall of sunflowers. Over there is going to be a special perennial flower garden classroom that I plan to make. And then all of these nice cattle panel rainbows should hopefully be dripping with watermelon and cucumber any month now. So stay tuned. This is the garden before, and I can't wait for you to see the after. It's gonna be incredible. Stay tuned. New garden coming at you.